Very, very exciting game. Top corner in the defense. There will be the danger. And the final match, the first half, the result, Rotherpur 11, 0. The Borrello 11 is also 0. But both the team is trying very hard. The first half is going on. It's already maybe 20 minutes. The first half will continue for অন্যান্য টুর্নামেন্টে যিনি এসে করে থাকেন সেরকম বাবু আমাদের সাথে করে বলতে বলতে আক্রমণ এবারে আমাকে 10 পশ্চিমবঙ্গ থেকে
In this moment, matches are very exciting. Rothenpur 11s versus Borrello 11, but result is 0-0. This is grand final held at the field. In this moment, we can see that the result is 0-0. Rothenpur 11 ball is under control. It's a very cloudy field. There are a lot of audience are in this moment present at the field. They are enjoying football match between Rothenpur 11 versus Borrello 11. You can see that the people of Bangladesh play football very much. A lot of audience are now present in this moment. We are seeing that many attacks are held, but no result comes out. Both teams are achieve their goal.
The final থাকবেন কালিয়াপুরের মামাটি মানুষের নেতা কালিয়াপুর পৌরবিএনপির সাবেক সিনিয়র যুগ্ম সম্পাদক ফজলুল আহমেদ আমাদের টুর্নামেন্টের ফাইনাল ম্যাচে এবং পুরস্কার বিতরণ অনুষ্ঠানের
This is a grand final. Excitement are like as a grand final. Very excited team, excited match in this moment. Orange color jersey Borrello Ekadash and black or yellow color jersey Rothenpur Ekadash. Oh, that's nice.
খান সাধারণ সম্পাদক জনাব দল জনাব মোহাম্মদ হোসেন সাংবাদিক সম্পাদক জনাব পৌরসভা দল জনাব তারেকুজ্জামান তারেক সহ সাধারণ সম্পাদক জাতীয় যুব দল জনাব ওয়ার্ড শাখা কালেপুর পৌর আন্তরিক ধন্যবাদ জানাতে চাই আমাদের টুর্নামেন্টের পৃষ্ঠপোষক এবং এই ফাইনাল ম্যাচে
Goal! That's a goal! Only for the goalkeeper's mistake. That's a goal. In this moment, Rothenpur 11s are go ahead 1 goal and Borrello is 0. Grand final like as grand final. This is a huge advertisement for Rothenpur Ekadash. All the audience are very excited in this moment. They are very happy. So much audience in this moment presents in this field. Audience and audience. The field is a very nice place. Behind the field there is a flyover. That's called Shofipur flyover. Vehicles are passes away, and a big car inside of this.